Hi everyone, welcome to Everything Data Analytics. And if this is your first time here, kindly click the subscribe button to subscribe to my channel. And in this tutorial, I'm going to be walking you through how to use VSTACK in Excel, in Microsoft Excel, to combine data together. So assuming you want an easy way to combine your data without manually copying and pasting them, VSTACK is a function to seamlessly stack data from different ranges or tables dynamically. So VSTACK is a powerful function introduced in Excel 365 that allows you to vertically combine multiple array or ranges which dynamically update if the original data set changing. So let's say that we have three data sets or multiple data sets, assuming this data they are multiple, and for Q1 and Q2 and also Q3 say, and we want to combine them in a particular column. We want to combine them together. We don't want it to or to scatter. So what we are going to be using is VSTACK. So I'm going to be introducing equals to VSTACK. VSTACK equals to, or then the first data, which is our Q1 comma, then highlight the second data Q2, then highlight the third one, and then close your bracket. Can you see that this has automatically highlighted? So you can actually change your date here. If you are having this date issue, you can change it here. If assuming you want to change it to short or long date, so you can change your date here. So you can see that this has automatically it has automatically or combine our data into a single column. So now assuming I change this particular place, I change it to I want to update the value. I want to update the value. All I need to do is to, if I update it here, you can see now that it has updated there. If I also change this here to, maybe I change it to phone, you can see now that it has also updated here. So as if you are updating your data, if you update your data or in the original sheet, it will automatically update here. So the result automatically update itself if the original data changes. And that's how you can use VSTACK to automate data stacking in Microsoft Excel. If this tutorial helped you don't forget to like, subscribe, and also click the notification button for more tips on Excel, for my next Excel tips. Click the notification button. Bye.